Throttle active. Have you reset the timers?
Rotate.
Landing gear retracted. Flaps retracted.
It wasn't so much of a rotation. Gee, it's getting buffeted around when you turn across the wind. Not so much of a rotation as a smooth sort of lift off, really.
23.3
So
volts,
flying with another 5,000
amps,
Turnigy HD
570
battery.
milliamp hours. 23.3 volts, 51 amps, 732.
Yeah, it definitely hates that end of the field doing turns, coming across the wind.
0.1 volts, 48.8 amps, 884 milliamp hours. 1 minute, 22.2 volts, 101 amps, 22.8 volts, 46.8 amps.
Took the turn very nicely that time up there.
272 milliamp hours.
Nice to have a tree line backdrop, give some
volts,
reference to the real world around it.
6 amps, 22.7 volts, 1,557 milliamp hours.
Oh, acted a little bit weird in the turn.
22.5 volts, 49.8 amps, 1,702 milliamp hours. 2 minutes, 22.2 volts, 62 amps, 21.6 volts, 2,118 milliamp hours. 22.3 volts, 40.2 amps, 2,000.
There's a little bit of wind, will fly more around 45 amps just to have a little bit more speed.
0.2 volts, 45.
More speed versus
amps,
airspeed versus wind speed.
22.1 volts, 46.1 amps.
What a great idea that was. Let's climb straight through the sun.
44 milliamp hours, 22.1 volts, 46 amps, 3 minutes, 22 volts, 48.9 amps, 2,828
Definitely
milliamp hours.
flying at that
1.9
higher 40s
volts,
amp range,
49,
definitely eating up capacity notably faster, so flight time's not going to go over 5.5 minutes like last flight.
48.2 amps, 3,129 milliamp hours, 21.8 volts, 49.3 amps, 21.8 volts, 47.2 amps, 3,439 milliamp
So
hours.
it's a good time to
4
prepare
minutes,
to land.
21.8 volts.
Come down to about
45.1
40 to
amps,
35 amps. Gear out.
21.8 volts.
Low level flaps.
3,700.
I think it had a very slight climb there.
Milliamp hours.
Need to
Landing
increase
gear
power
deployed.
just a little bit.
Flap stage 1.
Full flaps.
21.7 volts.
Cut
39.
power back to 5%.
amps.
Then assess.
Flaps set for landing.
Coming in nice. Back 7, 8, 9, 10.
3.
That's a good amount.
940 milliamp hours. 22.1 volts.
Was in
Three,
just, well,
0.1
probably got a fraction more power and gone a fraction more nose up would have looked
5
nicer, but
minutes.
all in all quite a nice landing.
22 volts.
Forgot the air brake again. Oh,
Amps. 3,900.
3900 milliamp
milliamp
hour.
hours. Throttle cut set. Flaps retracted. 22.2.
22.2, fraction under
0.
3.7, but they'll come up under
Amps.
rest.
3.
So another